Okay, we have it shaved down pretty good, rounded pretty good. Fits inside the body where we want it to fit. So now we're going to use our sanding attachments and we're going to sand this down some. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. You can see how this smooths it down a lot more compared to this side. So we're going to continue to sand that all down, then we'll go to our palm sander and give it a final sanding. Thanks for watching.